On this 17th of September, Arquus, the French defense manufacturer, has given a dynamic demonstration of some of his vehicles, and the most specific one was, of course, the Scarabée, which is the champion, the demonstrator of the company, but also the Armis family of tactical trucks that exist in 4x4, 6x6 and 8x8. We also saw the Fortress Mark II, another champion of Arquus, and the Areg, a vehicle designed for the special forces, another one. Enjoy the presentation. During this Arquus Day, the focus was placed on the flagship of its brand new logistics and tactical range, the Armis 6x6. The Armis 6x6 is the worthy heir to the logistics and tactical trucks that so well served in the French armies, from the VLRA to the GBC 180. Built on a specifically military-based and incorporating time-tested civilian technologies, it offers a very high level of performance, both in transport and in all-terrain mobility. Developed on own funds by the know-how of Arquus and the support of the Volvo Group, the Armis 6x6 benefits from the experience feedback of current generations of army carriers. The Armis 6x6 is equipped with a 460 horsepower engine, category Euro 5, which allows it to pass ramps at 50%. Close to the EBRC Jaguar reconnaissance vehicles engine, this gives it great ability and allows it to accompany the latest generation of combat vehicles on the battlefield. Its gearbox, fitted with the ultra-low crawler option, allows it to stop and restart safely on steep slopes. Brake assistance saves the main brakes on steep gradients. The Armis 6x6 has a common cabin with the 8x8 version to facilitate handling and maintenance of vehicles. The Armis 6x6 can accommodate a variety of weaponry, from manual circular to remotely operated turrets from the Arquus Hornet range, already selected by the French Army to equip the new Scorpion program combat vehicles. The Armis 6x6 can be integrated into the Scorpion bubble and is designed to accommodate the latest generation of communication and information systems.
Hello, I'm Frank Lanor from Arquus, and I'm in charge of product strategy and product manager for this weapon system. So we have developed this weapon system through the program, Scorpion program, and it will equip the Griffon vehicles. This one, there is 3 different weapon systems in this portfolio. The first one is this one, which the name is Hornet, and is able to accept different kind of caliber from weapon caliber. First is the 12.7 caliber. You have also the 7.62 and the AGL, automatic grenade launcher, 40 millimeter. At the basis of the weapon system, you have also crown with a smoke grenade launcher, 81 millimeter caliber grenade from Lacroix, Galix. You have all the optronics developed by Safran, our partner on this program. So it's composed with day vision and night vision. The capacity of the system is also stabilized system, 3-axis stabilized system. That means that it is able to fire against a mobile target and also with the vehicle driving. The system is also composed with the control station with the joystick on the screen. So it's a high-resolution screen with the optronics developed by Safran. You have all the optronic chain, which is high resolution. And you have different functionalities, like you can counter the number of ammunition, you have an alert from the end of ammunition, and so on. So it's a really high-tech weapon system with the last technology developed for this weapon system. This is the second product of our portfolio of weapon system. So it's the little brother of our previous one. It's only able with the 7.62 caliber weapon, and there is no smoke grenade launcher at the basis. All the optronic chain is the same, and the control station is the same also. So you can switch from one weapon station to another with no problem. It is exactly the same interface. All our products are developed in France and within Arquus in the Marolles factories close to Paris. So we have developed all the system. It's a French system. The last one is a specific product developed for the Jaguar vehicle to equip the turret from Nexter, the T40 turret. It's the sight for the turret equipped with the auxiliary weapon 7.62, so only able with 7.62 caliber.
In his speech, CEO Emmanuel Levaché mentioned that Arquus is namely focusing on developing eco-responsable, which means environment-friendly, vehicles based on electric engines. Hybrid propulsion is also a major concern. The manufacturer showcased an impressive array of armored vehicles, some in static display, others also in dynamic demonstrations. Among those lined up in static were a VBL Ultima, of which 50 will be delivered to the French Army by the end of 2020. 2 VAB Ultima armored personnel carriers and Sherpa light scouts, namely in police variant with a special pushing bumper to mention with them. The vehicles selected for dynamic demonstration were the Scarabée technology demonstrator, the new AREG Special Forces vehicle, the Armis 6x6 truck, and a Fortress Mark II APC. Arquus also showcased its exceptional support and maintenance means that benefit from the assets of Volvo Group to which it belongs. Hence, its main facility is located at Saint-Nazaire, designated as the Excellence Center for Ground Systems Maintenance, Centre d'Excellence de la Maintenance Terrestre.
I'm Edouard Calro. I'm working for Arquus. I'm in charge of all the development and deployment of the support system for our customers, especially managing all the project managers dedicated to integrated logistics support. Today and since the years 2005, all the support system have made a big evolution and especially integrating all electronic system. So all the support system is made and construct since the beginning of the studies to integrate all the needs of our customers to promise them an operational disposal of the systems. In that way they can be able to control all the costs and be sure about the availability of their vehicles to be able to make their missions. Arquus is the defense branch of Volvo company, so we have the benefits of all the studies made for the civilian use. We are able to propose to our customers a huge kind of engines of technologies such as electric propulsion, so that we are recognized as one of the major industries in the trucks, but dedicated to Army's specifications. Scarabée is the amount of all the technologies Arquus is working on to demonstrate our engineering work. This French-specific engineering that is well appreciated all around the world, and Scarabée is here to show it to the world, to all other countries, and also to French Army, to let them think that Arquus is still the same. Arquus is not following and forgetting its origins. We are thinking on the vehicles exactly in the same way that it was with Panhard or Renault trucks or Berlier for the trucks, and we want to show it and to guarantee that we will be able to make the difference with other suppliers as a very strong French identity in our engineering.